From the 15th of the 7th month of 1436, lesson 2 of the Dream 2 Discourses and the Fears and Bothersome Habits list. The Dream 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp has an illustration of two people watching a sunrise or sunset, while the full moon or another sphere is on the opposite side of the sky. There is a third disk on a horizon in between that. I think the message is of different days and looking at things different ways because of the different viewpoints and how the dark-skinned man on the right is using a telescope and the one on the left is using eyeglasses to view the same thing. A lot of these people in glasses stuff seems to hint at Harold Klemp, the spiritual leader of Eckankar. And as you can see in the chart, we are, Alam, Jatnaranjan, Ramkar, Omkar, Sohang, Satnam, Alak Purusha, Alaya Purusha, Hukikat Purusha, Agam Purusha, Anami Purusha, and Akshar, what other name you're going to have. You have this rulers of the plains. Now you can say ruler names of the plains. You can think of this in a monotheist context and say, because if you look at these, they're really all can be kind of names of God, can't they? And so in the middle here, the becoming of a Hanta, it's where other spiritual masters are placed, and you can put yourself. Yanari Boer Chukkaum is my Eckankar name, and so that's that. Huge.